Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudia cooks.
Hey foodies, you're back in the kitchen with Claudia Cooks, where the flavors are big and bold. And if you're in for big bold flavors, you're in the right spot. And today we are cooking some roast chicken with roasted red peppers and sun-dried tomato butter. Take a look at the wonderful ingredients we have here. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Okay, let's make the butter for the chicken. We're using about 125 grams of unsalted butter. We're just going to cut that there. Cut that on the board first. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay, so we're safe in the kitchen when using sharp object. We've got a tablespoon each of thyme and rosemary, so we're going to put that in. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. And we have some sun-dried tomatoes here. This is about half a cup. And we've got half a cup of roasted red bell peppers. I'm going to go in with all of that. And we're going in with all of that as well. I'm going to go in with some salt. And some black pepper. Up with some lemon zest. We're using the whole lemon zest in here. This is smelling so zesty and fresh. You can imagine how this is going to taste. Now let's go in and mash this all together to create this wonderful, flavorful butter compound. Okay, this is what we have here. And I'm just going to taste that just to make sure the flavor is right in it, or if we need to add anything else. I think I'm just going to add a bit more black pepper. Okay, let's have a little taste. Perfect. Let's get the chicken up. Okay, I've washed and dried this chicken already, and it's about just over a kilo, 1.3 kilo chicken. And now we are going to put this compound butter under the skin. I've loosened the skin already. All you need to do is just literally use your hand with your fingers and just gently push it under the skin and gently prise it away, and try, if you can, it can be a bit tricky not to break the skin of the chicken. Okay, and I've done that on the legs and also the back. So let's get into putting this tasty and flavorful butter over the chicken. I'm just going to get my hand into the butter. I'm just going to place it under the skin. You can use a spoon. Just stuff it under there. Okay, I'm going to do the same. Rub the butter all over. Flip the bird over. Just stuff a little under there as well. We're talking about creating maximum flavor, especially if we don't have a lot of time for marination. Then we get it right as close to the meat as we can. And this is going to go straight into the oven. Just about 15 minutes maximum marinating time, just until the oven is heated. Then now we're going to put it all over. We're going to go on the inside of the chicken as well. We're going to season on the inside as well. And now, this is optional. I've got some chicken seasoning here of choice. I'm using some Caribbean seasoning from Portland, Jamaica. And the inside as well, on those wings. to take our gloves off. Going to add some extra onion flavor and garlic flavor. And we're going to also season with some salt. I'm going to do this on both sides as well. This stage is optional, of course, but I'm looking for maximum flavor. I'm going to go over with some salt, good pinch of salt because we had unsalted butter, and the seasoning, I used a chicken seasoning, and it's just that salt that was in it, so we need to create some more flavors here. Right, and as I said, do the next side of the chicken as well. Now it's time to add these. Some of this is going to go into the cavity of the chicken and some in the pan here. So let's put some carrots in the roasting tin. The fat's going in there, and we're putting in some shallots, and just one's going to go into the cavity. We're going to put 1/2 of the whole garlic bulb into the roasting tray as well. We're going to get some thyme and some rosemary into the cavity, and some lemon that I've sliced, I've chopped here. So in we go. Flavor bomb. It's gonna create some beautiful pan juices, and in with the rosemary and thyme. Let's move this out the way and bring our roasting pan into view. Right, this is like a little trivet, and it's just going to keep the chicken elevated from actually touching the pan so the air can circulate more freely, so we can cook the chicken evenly. There we go. We're going to rest it just like that. Look how proud that is looking. I'm just going to place the rest of the compound butter on the top. This has got a lot of flavor in it, so I'm just going to place a bit of cold water around that, and we're heating the oven up to 180 degrees centigrade, and we're going to cook this chicken for about hour 20, hour 35 minutes, or until it is cooked. And we're going to be basting this at least 3 times throughout the cooking process. We're going to get some foil, and we're going to cover that. And during the cooking process, to crisp up the skin, we will remove the foil from it so that it can crisp up. But for now, we're going to put some covering over it to protect it so all the juices remains within the chicken. This is grease-proof paper, and now we're going to cover it with the foil. Okay, I shall see you once this is done. In you go. Simple mo. Right, this is after 1 hour 25 minutes, so I'm going to baste it again and put it back in the oven, and I'm going to put it on the grill just to get a bit more color on it. Back in the oven for 15 minutes. I'll see you in a mo. Right, there you have it. Just taking this out of the oven, stepped away for a minute to do something, and it just caught a little bit, but that's flavor. I'm just going to let that cool down a bit before I handle that. Okay, see you in a moment. Let's dress this up a bit. Just going to pop a few sprigs of thyme over here. The flavors we use to roast the chicken. We're going to go in with a bit of rosemary just for decoration. I'm going to add a few fresh oregano over it, and some lemon, And to finish, just a spoon of the sun-dried tomatoes over it. All these beautiful flavors. And there you have it, guys, my juicy roast chicken with roasted red peppers and sun-dried tomato butter. Absolutely delicious. If you're enjoying this video, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share with your friends. And drop me a comment and let me know if you've tried this recipe and if you want more of Claudie Cook's delicious recipes. Enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's try this chicken. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this. Look how juicy and tender that is. Oh my goodness. Let's have a taste. This tastes amazing. It's really juicy, tender, full of flavor. You can taste the rosemary, but not too much. The thyme, sun-dried tomatoes, and the bell peppers taste amazing. Give us a like, and I hope you try this recipe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. Yummy.
Claudie Cooks, bring sunshine into your life.